Would shock her. She's known around the world as Princess Leia from Star Wars. Actress Carrie Fisher, though, is in the hospital after suffering a heart attack while aboard a plane. That plane was just about to land at Los Angeles International Airport when the 60-year-old collapsed. A serious medical emergency in the sky for Star Wars actress Carrie Fisher.
United 935 Heavy, I need the nature of the medical emergency.
While on a United Airlines flight from London to Los Angeles, Fisher suffering cardiac arrest.
We have some passengers, nurses assisting the passenger. We have an unresponsive passenger. So they're working on it right now.
A fellow passenger tweeted, "Don't know how else to process this, but Carrie Fisher stopped breathing on the flight home. Hope she's going to be okay." By 12:15, the LA Fire Department performed CPR on her and transported her to a local hospital.
Darth Vader, only you could be so bold.
Fisher is best known for playing Princess Leia in the Star Wars trilogy, a role she reprised in last year's new installment, The Force Awakens. Her Star Wars co-star Mark Hamill tweeting tonight, as if 2016 couldn't get any worse, sending all our love to Carrie Fisher. And Fisher was in London as part of a book tour. Other passengers on her flight applauding the efforts of that United flight crew. Her brother tells CNN she is in ICU.
Oh, let's hope for the best.
No doubt.